Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line. You click on settings. In this page, you go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of line and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage, and when we click on storage, then you will find here clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.